Okay, as we learned in class today, guys, we did integer exponents. So here's a quick review. So as we know, multiplication of integer exponents with the same bases is the same thing as taking those two exponents and adding them together. As we can see here, x to the a times x to the b is the same thing as x to the a plus b. And in this example, we have 3 to the 4 times 3 to the negative 2. So that would be the same thing as 3 to the 4 plus negative 2, which is equal to 3 squared, which is 9. Now, on the other hand, we also know how to do division of integer exponents with the same bases. And that looked at is x to the a divided by x to the b is the same thing as x to the a minus b, where x does not equal 0 because you can't have 0 in the denominator. So an example of that would be 5 to the third divided by 5 squared. So another way to look at that would be 5 to the third over 5 squared. Or that's the same thing as 5 to the 3 minus 2, which is 5 to the 1, which equals 5. So again, when you're doing multiplication of integer exponents with the same bases, you can add those two exponents together. And then when you're doing division of integer exponents with the same bases, you can take those two exponents and subtract them, and then you can solve your problem.